Hi, I am Hazrul bin Mohamed Basri, a lecturer and researcher in the University Malaysia Sarawak. Today, I would like to present an innovative local product called smoke machine powered by off-grid solar PV system. Kampung Igan, Sarawak are well known for their variety of seafood products. One of the famous food product here is Sesar Unjur or smoked shrimp, which is made from red shrimp or better known as Payak by the local community. The manufacturing process is very complicated and meticulous to ensure its quality without using any preservative. Smoking the prawns is the most complicated parts of the process as the intense heat of the burning woods needs to be manually controlled. Traditional process takes 5 long hours of open burning exposed to dirt and many more unwanted deposits such as contaminated wood ash. Before we proceed, it is interesting to briefly review the problem. There are 3 main problems in the current process of producing Sesar Unjur. First, slow production process. Secondly, exposure to air contaminants. And last but not least, high electricity bills if using heavy machines. Therefore, we propose an automated machine tailored and engineered to mass-produce Sesar Unjur using off-grid solar PV system. The solar energy is meant to reduce electricity usage from the grid. The proposed system has a capacity of 9 kW peak to power up 5 kW automated machine. It is equipped with 1010 Ah lithium-ion battery bank and can store around 48 kWh of energy per day. This system can accommodate the electricity needed to produce 40 kg of Sesar Unjur from 400 kg of fresh shrimp per day by using solar energy. The system is also able to be hybridized with the grid during rainy seasons to ensure that the Sesar Unjur can be processed regardless of weather conditions. If the system is connected to the grid, production can be increased to 60 kg per day. The smoke machine is easy to use, able to increase the production rate and also equipped with all the safety features. With the use of automated machine, the production of smoked shrimp can reach 500% compared to the traditional techniques. The machine can operate for 4 cycles per day without using electricity from the grid. Each cycle operates for 1 hour to process 10 kg smoked shrimp products ready for market. The processing time for smoked shrimp has been shortened from 5 hours to only 1 hour. On top of that, the end product is free from any air contaminants as they are not exposed to open burning during the process. In addition, this is the only project developed in Sarawak, or perhaps all over Malaysia at this time using this technology. This research work has emerging impact related to the nation, society and economy. The outcomes of this project can be applied to enhance local economy, especially for remote and off-grid areas where electricity is absent. The tangible objective is to boost up the development of the socio-economic status by encouraging local entrepreneurship and innovations in rural areas.